Hello and namaste everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I'm going to make series 3 of 7-day yoga challenge. My first series was on power vinyasa flow and the second was on hatha yoga. And today I'm going to make third part. It will be on backbend and twisting. But if you have not seen my first and second series, so first was that link I had given in the description box, you can see in the below, or you can see on the I button I had given the link there also. So before starting the backbend and twisting class, first I will show you some easy warm-up which you have to practice before the class, or you can practice every day before your yoga practice. And this class will be based from beginner to intermediate. So let's get started. Inhale, take your both arms straight. Exhale, hunch your back properly. Inhale, take a deep breath, look up, expand your ribcage. Exhale, interlock your finger properly, hunch your back. Inhale, look up, inhale in your lungs, expand your ribcage, stretch your chin. Exhale, hunch your back properly. Inhale, look up and stretch. Exhale. One more. Inhale, look up and stretch. Exhale. Now inhale and relax. Now this is the first, now second warm up. Now you have to slowly inhale, take your both arms straight. Exhale, twist to the right properly. Keep your both hip on the mat and look as far as you can. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep your both arms straight and try to walk with your left hand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale right. Last two. Inhale. Exhale left. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Twist to the right and hold your 1. Look to the right side. 2. Take normal breathing. 3. 4 and 5. Inhale, take your both arms straight. Exhale, twist to the left. 1. Keep your both arms straight. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back and stretch. Exhale, now slowly place your both hands on the floor or on the mat to the right side and touch your forehead to the knee joint. Stretch your back and feel your side muscles. Stretch down. Inhale, interlock your finger, look up upon your shoulder, take your arms back. Exhale, slowly go to the left. Press your both hip on the mat and touch your forehead to the knee joint. Inhale, interlock your finger, squeeze your upper back and lift your ribcage up. Exhale, slowly move to the right. Press down, keep your both arms straight and touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale, look up and stretch, take it up and higher. Exhale, slowly bend forward, go to the left. One more. Inhale, interlock your finger, look up and stretch. And exhale, while holding, we will do little variation. Exhale, go to the right and touch your forehead to the knee. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, interlock your finger, look up and stretch. And exhale, move to the left, touch your forehead to the knee properly, stretch your shoulders. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, interlock your finger, look up and stretch. And exhale, slowly take it down here. Okay, now next warm up. So first again, how to come on your knee here like this, and take your both arm and knee straight 90 degrees from the mat. Now how to inhale, first look up and stretch. And exhale, hunch your back, lift up and properly stretch here. Now inhale, put your left leg out here and take your right arm straight. Squeeze the hip, look up and higher. Exhale, hunch your back, a little bit on the mat, lift up. Inhale, change your leg, take your left arm straight and look up. Exhale, hunch your back, properly get down and stretch, press down. Inhale, right leg and right arm, take it up and higher. Exhale, properly hunch your back and lift up, stretch down. Inhale, expand your ribcage, look up. Exhale, slowly get down. Last 2. Inhale, right, take your arms straight and look up. Exhale. One more. Inhale, take it up and stretch. And exhale, slowly hunch your back and press down here. Now we go to the 4th for the back bend. One more. Now again, how to bend your both legs here like this and place your right hand on the mat. Inhale, squeeze the hip, take your left arm straight and higher. Exhale, slowly bend forward, stretch your back and hip, press down. Inhale, left arm down, take your arm straight and higher, look up. Exhale, slowly bend forward, go down, take your both arms straight forward and stretch your back and hip. Inhale, right arm down, take your left arm straight and higher, squeeze the hip. Exhale, slowly bend forward, go down and stretch your back, stretch down properly. Last 2. Inhale, right arm straight and lift up, take your hip higher. Exhale, slowly bend forward and stretch, press down. One more. Inhale, lift up and stretch, take it up and higher. Exhale, slowly bend forward, go down and stretch. Another side. Inhale, take your arms straight, lift up and higher. And exhale, slowly bend forward, go down and stretch down here properly, stretch your back and hip. Now slowly inhale, take your both arms straight down. Now, one more for the twisting. Inhale, take your both arms straight. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your both hip on the mat. Try to touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, interlock your finger, toes up, take your arms back properly. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep pressing your both hip on the mat. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back, lift your toes up, look straight, arms straight. Exhale, twist. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back properly, open your shoulder, lift your ribcage higher, little arch your back. Exhale, last 2, try to touch your forehead on the mat, press down properly, twist. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your toes up, properly arch your back, stretch and look forward straight. Exhale, twist to the right, properly get down. Inhale, interlock your finger, take your arms back properly.
And exhale, twist to the left. Touch your forehead on the mat. Inhale, raise the both arms straight, and exhale. Okay, so we done for the warm-up. Now we will start our back bend and twisting asana. Okay, so first I'm going to do here camel pose, easy step. Join your palm. Inhale, raise the both arms straight and look up. Exhale, place your right palm to the right heel, look up and hold your, squeeze your upper back and hips. 6, look up. 5, come on, 4. But if you're having lower back pain, so you can support here with one hand or you can support here with 2 hands. 3, come on, 4 and 5. Inhale, to your both arms straight, and exhale. Now put your left shoulder to the right and twist, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, to the both arms straight, change your hand. Exhale, put your left down and right arm straight. Again, if you're having back pain, you can support with one hand or you can support with the 2 hands. 6, take it up, push the hip forward, look up. 5, come on, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, take your both arms straight and exhale, place your right shoulder on the mat, twist, look up to the left hand. 6, 5, take normal breathing. 4, 3, come on, 2 and 1. Inhale, take it up here and exhale, press the heel on the mat, lower back straight, try to lift up your toes up and hold. 6, 5, 4, feel the stretch in your leg. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, take your right leg forward here. Now place the knee down. Again, take your right leg 90 degree. Inhale, join your palm, look up and hold. 6, push the hip forward. 5, 4, 3, 2 and exhale, twist. Now you can take your arm straight. If you're feeling back pain, so just join your palm like this and twist. And if you're feeling okay, then you can put it down, keep both arms straight, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, take your both arms straight and exhale, down dog for the relaxation. Again, keep your lower back straight and hold your. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, change your leg. Again, take it 90 degree here and try to keep your both hip in straight line. Again, inhale, join your palm, look up and hold. 6, look up, push the hip forward. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here, exhale, twist to the left, look up and hold. 6, 5, push the hip forward. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, take your both arms straight here and exhale, slowly take it down here. Again, now left leg, right leg, lift up and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, put it here. Now take your right leg forward here straight and you have to try to again adjust your both hip. Left leg will be straight. Inhale, take your both arms straight, look up and hold. Again, if you're getting back pain, so you can just support your hand and look up, you hold. 6, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale, twist. Put your left shoulder down, bend your left leg and slowly try to catch your ankle, look up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, slowly take it up here and exhale, change your leg, left leg, take it up and stretch, hold your 6, press the shoulder down, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, put your left leg forward here like this, and slowly inhale, take your both arms straight, look up and hold, 6. Again, back bend, so you just place your both hand down and you can hold here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, twist, put your right elbow down, bend your right leg, catch your ankle, look up and hold, 6. Toes up, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1. Inhale, look up, and exhale, slowly press down here. Now we'll go a little advanced. Now put your right leg forward here. Again, now you have to try to take your both knee 90 degree. Okay, then slowly inhale, take your both arms straight, and exhale, right hand down here, take it up here straight, look up and hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, take your both arms straight. Now this time you have to put your left shoulder to the right knee and you have to try to catch it here. Try to catch your wrist, look up and hold. Again, if you're getting back pain or knee pain, you can just join your palm or keep your arms straight here. Hold your 6, 5, look up, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, take your both arms straight here, and exhale, press the heel on the mat, put it down here, change your leg, left leg, put it forward here. Again, you have to keep your both leg here 90 degrees straight. You have to inhale, take your both arms straight, and exhale, place your right hand to the right leg, look up, lift your rib cage up, take it up and hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, arms straight, and exhale, twist to the left, put your right shoulder to the left knee, catch your wrist, look up and hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, take your both arms straight here, and exhale. Now slowly take it down here. Get up, take your forehead down and hold your few seconds. Yeah, so this was back bend and twisting, and this kind posture will help you to detox your whole body, because when you're twisting, it is working on your pancreas, it is giving nice massage your internal organs, so it is detoxifying your body from the inside. And practice this class every day in the morning and evening, or whenever you're having free time. So stay fit, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Thank you.